Just arrived a short time ago in Sevilla, Spain. 51 degrees Celsius, I kid you not, according to their outdoor thermometer here. And here for one reason only. The Scorpions are playing tomorrow night. Here in Sevilla, Spain, in one of the public parks, the many public parks they have, try to keep things cool in the summertime, but listen to the crickets. Or whatever, locusts I'm going to assume. Must be some sort of locusts. Or cicadas or something. Sevilla. The old horse and buggy carriage. They're setting up here for the Scorpions concert tomorrow night. It should be a really, really good show. Scorpions, I've seen them 5 times. Last of the great rock bands. Just here at the Royal Alcázar here in Sevilla, Spain. Just walking up here. Gonna look at some of the old architecture here in a little bit. The Andalusian style architecture. Here's some of the architecture right here. Has a familiar appearance to me. Kind of reminds me of Cartagena, Colombia. Royal Alcázar, Sevilla. First thing in the morning before all the tourists get here. Probably about 40 Celsius by now. Walking the streets of Old Sevilla, Casco Antiguo they call it.
Turn right to stay on Calle Rodrigo Caro.
I can't turn right, Google. Around every corner there's something very interesting to see here. And when in Sevilla, this is the only way to travel right here. ¿Cómo se llama, amigo? Bien. Soy Kevin. It's a hot day. It's about 40 Celsius. Yesterday it hit 51. Probably going to be up there again today. So this is the best way to take in a tour, in my opinion. When in Casco Antiguo area of Seville, this is by far the best way to travel. That's why I'm traveling today. Okay, perfect. See. Looking around old Casco Antiguo, Seville, in the heat of the summer. Probably going to be 40 Celsius plus today. A couple of local embassies right there. And here's a restaurant called Chill. It's a nice big white Andalusian horse there. I'll say one thing, these poor jockeys and these poor horses in the heat, and not to mention nobody respects them, and there's obviously no seatbelts on these damn things. ¿Cómo se llama el toar allí? We're in the big park here. I love the sound of the cicadas. Gives it a real tropical feel. Although I don't know if they're endemic to the area or not. Absolutely beautiful gardens, world class. I don't think you'd see this in too many places. Closest I've seen, I'm gonna say, is maybe San Diego. Fortunately with the heat of this area, there's always a place selling ice cold water or something along those lines, ice cream or whatever it happens to be. Nice relaxing day, nice big swans over there at that lake. I don't know what the weather is here, let me just check. weather, Seville, Spain. Not too bad right now, it's only 31. And that's Romero there, our horse. Stomping along the cobblestone streets of Old Sevilla. Lots of little tapas bars here. The police are there for some reason. This place reminds me a lot of old Cartagena, Colombia. Obviously, that Cartagena was heavily influenced by the architects and planners via this city here. And we're right back in the center by that big church again. See that? That's beautiful. And after a nice long horse ride in the middle of the day, it's time for cerveza, cafe americano, and a bottle of cold water here at this nice little tapas bar with a nice view of one of the old churches, all the old palm trees.